Mihogo, a forward-thinking player in the electric mobility space, has recently unveiled its latest innovation, the Mihogo One folding e-bike. This cutting-edge electric bicycle combines advanced technology with practical appearance features, offering riders a unique and convenient commuting experience. The standout feature of the Mihogo One is its foldable appearance, allowing users to effortlessly carry it inside the trunk of a car. The frame and handlebars can be neatly folded, emphasizing its commitment to portability and ease of storage. This makes the Mihogo One an ideal choice for urban commuters seeking a versatile and space-efficient transportation solution. One of the key highlights of the Mihogo One is its remarkable range of 270 kilometers. This extended range is achieved through the integration of a dual battery system, showcasing Mihogo's dedication to providing users with a reliable and long-lasting electric commuting option. The addition of a second battery ensures that riders can confidently tackle longer journeys without the worry of running out of power. Unlike traditional mid-motor systems, the Mihogo One features a hub-wheel motor, providing riders with enhanced performance and efficiency. Controlled by a torque sensor, the motor boasts a maximum output of 750 watts, delivering a powerful and smooth riding experience. The inclusion of disc brakes further contributes to reliable and responsive deceleration, ensuring rider safety. Mihogo prioritizes rider comfort with the inclusion of a suspended front fork in the appearance of the Mihogo One. This feature absorbs shocks and bumps, promising a comfortable and smooth ride even on challenging terrains. Whether navigating city streets or exploring suburban landscapes, the Mihogo One aims to provide an enjoyable riding experience. Equipped with a 2.4-inch IPS display, the Mihogo One offers turn-by-turn navigation, enhancing the rider's convenience and ensuring they stay on the right path. The LED lights on the bicycle, boasting a maximum brightness of 120 lumens, contribute to rider safety and visibility, especially during low-light conditions. Additionally, mudguards are provided to protect the rider from splashes, ensuring a clean and enjoyable journey. The Mihogo One is developed for versatility, featuring wide tires from Kenda that enhance stability and control. An attached luggage rack adds to the practicality of the e-bike, allowing riders to carry their belongings with ease. This thoughtful combination of features makes the Mihogo One a well-rounded solution for various commuting needs. As anticipation continues to build around the Mihogo One folding e-bike, it has been revealed that the product is set to launch on a crowdfunding platform. While the specific details of the campaign's optics are yet to be disclosed, enthusiasts are eager to participate and be among the first to experience this innovative electric bicycle. The decision to launch the Mihogo One on a crowdfunding platform suggests an interactive and community-driven approach to bringing this cutting-edge e-bike to market. This method not only engages potential users, but also allows them to contribute to the project's success. Moreover, Mihogo plans to provide financing options as part of the crowdfunding campaign, making the e-bike more accessible to a broader audience. This inclusive approach aligns with the growing trend of democratizing access to innovative transportation solutions. While Mihogo has teased the unveiling of the Mihogo One, enthusiasts eagerly await the release of full details. This folding e-bike appears poised to make waves in the electric mobility market, offering a compelling blend of innovation, performance, and convenience. Thank you for watching this video. If you are interested, please hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.